Hi guys, so basically I'm filming this Swarovski crystal haul for you guys. Everything's going to be linked in the description below. I'm doing a voiceover because I literally forgot to make an intro. So yeah, enjoy the video. Thank you for watching in advance. Originally I thought I lost this package because DHL is... Okay, whatever, I'm just going to take it out the box. Set of crystals, and basically like it comes with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 different shapes and then some just rounded. I got it from BlueStreak, these guys. And then I got this. I was gonna put it in my training kit but it didn't come on time, and it's basically like a beginner's Swarovski kit, and it just comes with like these empty jars and then a pencil to like pick up your drawers. These mini ass fucking crystals. Clear size SS5, I think. SS7. And then SS5. And then SS, and then size 3 right here. Rainbow pack, the different colors, and then yeah, it goes back on like this. And then I also got this pencil just to pick up my drawers, and it sharpens. Apparently this one says that it's the best, like better than most openers, I mean not openers, jewel pencils or whatever, because it sharpens, and honestly it looks pretty good quality. And then the little sharpener. This jewel case because I don't like really the ones they have right now. Yeah. And that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's 5 times 5? 25. 25. So it's basically like a leather. Oh, is this leather? Oh, no. It's like a hard plastic. Nice actually. And then one of these things, and it comes with this inside of it. I'm just gonna throw it away. Oh, and they open like that. Pop. I like that because I don't have to turn it. I'm hoping that this is more of the crystals I ordered because... Oh yeah, because I got another, yes. I got like a pink glitter. It's called Peach Crush. Hello?
Hello, is this Mia?
Yep.
Mia, this is Glitterbels Adhesive for customer care.
Yes, I received my order.
You received it, right? So
Yeah.
I'm going ahead and closing the file, okay?
Yep, okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for choosing DHL. Have a good day.
You as well.
Bye.
That was they just called me because my package was lost for literally like basically 4 days, and I was like freaking out because I spent, but that's 420 Canadian. And then I got, oh, this is like a jewel adhesive. Wow, I totally forgot what I got. I think it's gel though, like I cure underneath the lamp. Oh my god, that's actual glue. Yes. I was using this one from Ocean's Nail Supply. And then I got a bunch more. So I need to check the list to make sure I actually have everything in here. I got these because I saw them like kind of trending on Instagram, and it's summertime right now. Also, Caravana's coming up in Toronto, so I'm gonna open up a week to do Caravana nails. And they're Swarovski, bitch. They actually give me some nice shapes. I was scared to order this because sometimes like they'll give you like really small sizes, you know, but like these are pretty big. Wow. And then I got like these kind of squares. They're 3D. Can't really tell. Basically a pack of 600, so like I got 2 of them. So I have like every size, so basically 100 SS16, so that's the biggest size of the round crystals. Actually, I don't think that's the biggest, but this is one of the biggest. And then SS12. And this is just like the AD color, because I don't really like to go buy a bunch of the other colors because not everybody wants them. And this is SS9. SS7. Size 5. Size 3. What the? Why are these so tiny? I don't know, I guess I ordered these. And then I got 2 of those packs. So this is like all the same sizes as I just showed you. 16. 12, 9, 7, 5, and 3. And it gave me one of these, like, I guess for free. There's 40 in here, by the way. And then I got the starter kit. Oh no, the glue. That's $10. That's US. These are US prices. Starter kit. This thing was $30, but I think it was $34 off